Okay. Dear student, today here I have taken some important questions, right? You can see in CRT examples 2.3, right? It's very important questions. So in these questions, I think a diagram is given here of positive, and definitely the positive will have the outward field direction. Is it right? And there is a point of A and B, sorry, P and Q. It is A and B is for the other one. P and Q, and there is one more diagram is there. Suppose let me take this is a diagram A, and for negative this is definitely the negative has inward field directions, right? Nothing to discuss about this, right? You know well the electric field direction, and there is a point of what A and there is a point B, is it right, in the field, that is in the field. And let me take this is a B, is it right? So it's why it is very important, because most of the time the board has tried to give such type of questions. Here you can see in the diagram A, the first questions, you can search that 2.3. What is the example 2.3? It's not exercise, so you will find, or otherwise you can download here. So in the example 2.3, so if I take the number 1, the answer of the first question, the question is written here, right? Give the sign of the potential difference. So they have asked what is the potential difference between, you all know what is potential, right? So if I write the formula of the potential, so you just see here, it is since what V, potential is K and one of the charge and the distance. This is the formula, is it right? So here if it is the formula, then according to the formula at the point P, I will write Vp. Vp is equal to definitely K, and it is a positive charge and it is a distance, and I will write Vq. Vq is also equal to K and it is again positive charge, but if it is R1 and then it is R2, because this is R1 and this is R2. So what do you feel that R2 is definitely greater? So R2 greater than, here I will write R2 is greater than the R1. Therefore I can say if it is greater, then definitely the Vp will become small. So this means Vq is less than the what, Vp. So in this way, therefore, but if I'll ask you, the question was like find this Vp minus Vq. ये है तुम्हारा question. So if it is the question, so I think already you got this is greater. So greater minus smaller will give you definitely a positive term. So sign, they have asked what is the sign. Sign will be what? Positive. Is it right? Similarly you can find out for the other condition. Is it right? So here also if I write since for the diagram A and this is for the diagram B, since here again the formula is same, so let me write directly that V what A, V is equal to K, but it is a sign of minus, and let me write R1. Is it right? Whether it is visible or not, yeah, it is visible, but I think it is visible, clear. And VB, is it right? VB is equal to K, it is also minus, but the distance is what? It is R2, the distance is R2. So again I will write here that R2 is definitely what? R2 is greater than the R1. So when it is greater, VB becomes small. When it is small and this is what? Big. But minus sign make it just reverse. जैसे example पे देखो -5 क्या होता है? -5 greater than -10 होता है. तो आई थिंक इट्स वेरी सिंपल टू यू दैट R2 इज ग्रेटर होने की वजह से VB क्या हो गया? स्मॉल हो गया, बट माइनस साइन इसको क्या बना रहा है? ग्रेटर बना रहा है. सो आई विल राइट हियर दैट VB इज ग्रेटर देन द व्हाट? VA. So once again they have asked here by giving the question that VB, they have asked what is VB minus VA. VB minus VA is equal to क्या हो जाएगा? VB minus VA. VB minus VA is equal to definitely it is greater, so I will say it is again here it is positive. Is it right? So we get that positive in both the cases. Is it right? Okay, so I think it's clear to you. Is it right? और दूसरा क्वेश्चन है तुम्हारा, the second question is related with the potential. Is it right? They have asked what happened to the potential difference, not only potential difference. So if you understood this question one was, then let me go with the second one. Is it right? The second one is the potential difference. So once again let me clear you this, the potential difference और work done का formula same रहता है ना. So let me write here for the number 2, is it right? They have asked the potential difference. So first let me write the potential, sorry my mistake, it is not potential, it is potential energy difference. ये क्वेश्चन है तुम्हारा, potential energy. So let me clear you this, potential energy का जो फॉर्मूला होता है वो वर्क डन के साथ बराबर होता है ना, वर्क डन, which you write as how, k it's q1 q2 by r, ये तुम फॉर्मूला लिखते हो ना, this is the formula k q1 q2 by r. So the question is here, तो potential energy difference क्या होगा अगर if I'll place one charge and they have written here in the question that small negative, yeah, if a small negative is placed, is it right, between the points this and this, a small negative. So now in the topic number 2, a small negative, let me place here one negative charge. So let me write here it is minus q, and right, and for that it is suppose q लिख लेते हैं, कोई बात नहीं, is it right? So first of all, when I place one negative charge over here, you can see, तो हमको ढूंढना ये है कि negative and positive, is it right? There is a negative and positive. First of all, you have to find what happened to the potential energy. So first let me write here potential energy को मैं PE कर लेता हूँ, right? This potential energy of this point Q, if I write, then it will become K, and one of the charge is minus and another is definitely plus. Plus minus will definitely, and let me write it is what, R2, because ये 2 रखा है और ये मैंने 1 किया है. Similarly let me write the potential energy at the point P, it is once again K minus Q plus Q, and this is what, R1. So is it right, difference they have asked. So whenever you place one negative charge, तो इसमें आंसर कैसे देंगे हम लोग, the definitely it will be attractive. So here negative will attract from, definitely from Q to P, तो Q to P की तरफ जाएगा. तो now whenever it's moved from one point to another, so I have to find the difference. तो फर्स्ट में एनर्जी क्या है मेरा, सो लेट मी डिफाइन यू दिस पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. पहले तो मैं इन दोनों को बता देता हूँ कि पोटेंशियल एनर्जी माइनस प्लस, डेफिनेटली माइनस इज देयर एंड R2 इज ग्रेटर. व्हेन इट इज ग्रेटर डेफिनेटली दिस बिकम्स स्मॉलर, बट माइनस मेक इट ग्रेटर वंस अगेन. तो ये ढूंढ लिया मैंने कि पोटेंशियल एनर्जी ऑफ द Q इज ग्रेटर देन द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी ऑफ व्हाट P. ये तो मैंने ढूंढ लिया इसमें. I got the potential energy, is it right? Now तो if it is move from, देखो अट्रैक्ट कर रहा है ना, तो डेफिनेटली Q से P की तरफ जाएगा. तो Q से P की तरफ जाएगा. यही नेगेटिव अगर मैं यहाँ पे रखता तो ये कहाँ से कहाँ देता था, A से B में जाता. सिंपल ऐसे आंसर देंगे, बिकॉज नेगेटिव क्या करेगा, रिपेल की वजह से ये A से B में आएगा. ओके, बट हियर इट इज फ्रॉम दिस टू दिस, सो दिस इज हायर एंड दिस इज लोअर. देयरफॉर आई विल राइट Therefore, I will write potential energy difference is what, positive. Why it is positive? Because it is moving from higher to lower. मैं देख लेते हैं, दिखता है क्या, higher to lower. Is it right? Yeah, it is visible. Clear? थोड़ा सा मैं बड़ा कर देता हूँ इसको, है ना. It is moving from what, higher to lower. Okay. Now, well, is it right? Now listen here. Now similarly, अब मैं दूसरा में जाता हूँ, तो इसमें आंसर कैसे देंगे. So for the second one, I think you will write here potential energy for the point A and B. Is it right? Let me write here. It is B का R2 और ये A का what, R1. But here negative. So यहाँ पे क्या होगा, दोनों में negative डालना है. Negative plus R2 is greater, so it will be less. Is it right? And A is greater. So you are moving from A to B. That means once again I will write here it is A is greater and B is smaller. तो greater से smaller की तरफ तुम जाओगे तो definitely it will also again पोटेंशियल एनर्जी डिफरेंस विल बी, बट यहाँ पे लिखेंगे नेगेटिव चार्ज, यहाँ पे लिखेंगे नेगेटिव चार्ज विल व्हाट रिपेल, रिपेल फ्रॉम Q to P, सॉरी फ्रॉम व्हाट A to B. ये हो गया इसका आंसर. आई थिंक द सेकंड वन, आई थिंक इट्स वेरी सिंपल. ओके, इज इट राइट? नाउ द थर्ड क्वेश्चंस, इफ आई टेक द थर्ड क्वेश्चंस विथ यू, इज इट राइट? यस डियर स्टूडेंट, थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज द वर्क डन. सो यहाँ पे मैं वर्क डन लिख देता हूँ इसमें. सो कीप इट इन माइंड, वर्क डन may be positive or negative. It is due to the what against the field. The work done is positive if a charge is against the field, and negative, sorry, my mistake, it will be a work done is negative if a charge is against the field, and positive if a charge is towards the field. मैं इसको बता देता हूँ इसमें वर्क डन. देखो, रियल वर्क डन तभी होता है, रियल वर्क डन इज ओनली पॉसिबल whenever you are doing against this. Suppose for example, इसको मैंने क्या किया, इसको छोड़ दिया और मैंने बोला I have done work to carry the marker from one point to another. But no my dear, it is not a real work done. Why? Because you have used the gravity. अब real work done क्या होगा? When you do against the field. तो हमारा जैसे gravitational field attractive है तो मैं against में कर रहा हूँ. This is a real work done. Against. This is not against. Okay, whatever it is. So keep it in mind, this is right. तो यहाँ पे देख लो सकते हो तुम इसमें. The third question is here it is written, right? If a positive charge, right? Positive charge. Okay. Here they have asked that if a positive charge, here it is positive, plus Q, plus Q is from Q to P, and minus Q is from A to B. Is it right? Minus 3 is from, sorry, this is the third question. The fourth question is that one. So fourth question बाद में आते हैं. In the third questions, if you a positive will definitely repel. तो repel है तो ये बाहर जाएगा. But now look at here. That means it's going toward the field. But you have carry from Q to P. Q to P में carry कर रहे हो तुम इसमें. Definitely यहाँ पे क्या आना चाहिए तुम्हारा? This is against the field you are doing. So that's why the negative charge work done is, better we say that here what work done is what negative. A work done is, according to the statement of this, ये statement की वजह से मैंने बोला है work done is negative when is it right? When plus Q is from what? Q to P. Now come here. There is a, वहाँ पे भी शायद in the fourth question, let me write in the fourth question. Fourth question भी similarly है. Fourth question is what? A negative charge B to A. If a negative charge is carried from B to A, is it right? Actually negative. So in the fourth question, negative is also what? Repel. तो ये बाहर जाने की कोशिश करेगा. बट यू आर कैरिंग टूवर्ड्स द फील्ड. देखो ये फील्ड की डायरेक्शन देख रहा होगा, ये फील्ड की डायरेक्शन की तरफ तुम ले जा रहे हो उसको. एंड हियर व्हाट हैपन, हियर आल्सो फील्ड का डायरेक्शन इधर है, तुम अगेंस्ट में जा रहे थे, इसलिए मैंने नेगेटिव लिखा. बट इसमें क्या आ जाएगा तुम्हारा? पॉजिटिव. हियर द वर्क डन विल बी पॉजिटिव. व्हाई? इट इज बिकॉज यू आर कैरिंग टूवर्ड्स द फील्ड. ये ध्यान रखना है तुमको इसमें वर्क डन में. तो वर्क डन का आंसर तुम्हारा सिर्फ इतना में ही तुम देख सकते हो अबाउट द साइन. बट व्हेन वी नीड मैग्नीट्यूड डेफिनेटली वी विल यूज द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी एंड वर्क डन का सेम रहेगा इसमें. इज इट क्लियर? ओके. नाउ द उसमें और एक चीज पूछा गया है कि ड्यूरिंग दिस मोशन, दैट इज द फिफ्थ वन. तो फिफ्थ वन का मैं बताया तो बहुत ईजी है. सो whenever there is a repulsion definitely he will move this way, है ना. तो यानी कि वो क्या होगा, इसका स्पीड इधर होगा. लेकिन अगेंस्ट में अगर तुम ले जाओगे तो स्पीड क्या हो जाएगा, इसका डिक्रीज हो जाएगा. स्पीड डिक्रीज, वेलोसिटी डिक्रीज. व्हेन वेलोसिटी विल डिक्रीज, डेफिनेटली तो मैं फिफ्थ हो गया, फिफ्थ का आंसर देना चाहता हूँ, राइट। इफ अ नेगेटिव इज मूविंग अगेंस्ट लिख देता हूँ इसमें ना, सॉरी टूवर्ड्स, इफ फील्ड के टूवर्ड्स में है, टूवर्ड्स द फील्ड which is against what, repulsion, therefore velocity decrease, therefore काइनेटिक एनर्जी में देखो क्या होता है, वेलोसिटी होता है ना, तो व्हेन वेलोसिटी डिक्रीज काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज आल्सो डिक्रीज. So these are very important questions, so please keep it in mind, that's why I have make a video. Thank you.